Hello, welcome to the new episode of Whereiswiljen, episode number 12. The end of Myanmar and the beginning of India. Slightly the beginning of India, because we had some startup issues there, but that's what you will see in the end when I was struggling through the mountains and trying to get some food in places as well, because nobody spoke English. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the episode and see you soon. Cheers. Alright, thanks for watching once again. That was the end of Myanmar and the beginning of India. Next time we're going to do the rest of India and a bit of Nepal. Also, probably we're going to go back to India again. Maybe a little bit of Pakistan, I'm not sure. Well, stay tuned. See you soon. Cheers.